Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I am blessed and I know everyone else is blessed. And I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. It's the middle of the week. So I'm coming to you now. I'm first going to read my scripture. Oh. Okay. I will have mercy on whom I will have mercy. And I will have compassion on whom I will have compassion. I will have mercy on whom I will have mercy. And I will have compassion on whom I will have compassion. Exodus 33:19. Okay, everyone, I am getting ready to put a little fall on my cabinets in the kitchen. This is
fall. She's doing a fall DIY, y'all.
Okay, I'm gonna do the fall DIY, but I'm doing it around the kitchen cabinets here.
Y'all, this fall DIY is a challenge from one of her subscriber, Tisa. Tisa gave her $10 to do this, actually $11 to do this DIY, but it ended up being $14, so that's still not bad.
Okay, so all right, I have the flowers and stuff, so I'm getting ready to get started. The pool noodles, I'm going to tell you the expensive. All right, the pool noodles, these were $1 a piece, all right, and we had to kind of cut them down. So I have that was like a couple of dollars. Okay, and then I have the flowers. They were like $3 a bunch, and I have 4 bunches, which is $12. That don't include the tax or around about altogether with the tax and everything. And of course, I had the glue gun. The glue I already have a few of because it was kind of expensive also. So I'm going to get ready to put these around. Okay, I would normally use the command strip, but it wouldn't hold. So I'm using the glue gun, and I'm putting the flowers in according to colors, trying to make them, sorting them out together where they would look nice, okay? So I've got them already started. I'm starting here with the burgundy.
Yeah, she cut each individual flower with the wire cutter.
I'm doing individual leaf now too. Mm-hmm. Some orange on this side also.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. I'm Miss Lena, and DJ is right by my side. Come on in and let's cook up some love. Step in, feel that welcome, baby. Wipe your feet by the door. Auntie's laughing by the window, cousins spreading out on the floor. Sweet rolls on the oven, chicken sizzling on the pan. DJ stirring that big old pot with a proud and steady hand. We lift each other's spirits up with every recipe. Gather around Miss Lena.
It's because they were in a package and they're not open up yet, but I'm pretty sure if they stay up, they will kind of unfold themselves with the heat. Okay, I'm going to be starting here.
the secret to dish. Sprinkle wisdom with that cornbread. Hush puppies on the tray. TJ laughs and tells her mama, teach me a soulful way. Neighbors knocking at the doorstep, they can smell the Sunday stew. Everybody's welcome, no matter what you're going through. From joy to tribulation, we pass the plate around. Every meal's a testimony when love is so profound. It's this love, seasoned with love. Miss Lena's kitchen, sent from above. In Miss Lena's kitchen, we're filling hearts up. Miss Lena's kitchen, seasoned with love. Now
These are gonna have to fall out, you all. Because like I said, they were in a bag, so they're not. Yeah, but I think after he's up here for a little while, they'll fall in line.
DJ's got the camera rolling, we'll praise and we'll pray.
Huh? Okay.
With every single serving, you'll remember Miss Lena's way. With every bite I taste Miss Lena's way. Let the blessings cascade. Miss Lena's way.
Okay.
It's Miss Lena's kitchen, seasoned with love. Miss Lena's kitchen, sent from above. In Miss Lena's kitchen, we're filling hearts up. Miss Lena's
Okay.
kitchen,
All right.
seasoned with love. Don't forget, sweethearts, love is always the main ingredient.
Okay, do I need? Now what else?
Okay, y'all, she still got to get a pool noodle for this one. And that looks real pretty and festive, fall-y. Fall, not fall-y. All right.
All right, we need one more. We need just a little bit more to complete everything. So, but watch, I'm gonna get the other noodle, and then I'll get the other side done. I just wanted to show you the beginning, so we want to get started with what we have, and I hope to have everything to finish it out tomorrow and next day. All right, everyone, this is all I can do for today. This is a challenge for one of my subscribers, and this is what I have, and I have to finish the rest on the next day. I don't have quite enough to go, but anyway, this is a challenge. She sent me $10 on
11.
sent $11.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it was about $14, and a little better than change. But anyway, I thank you so much, Lisa, and I appreciate what you've done, and I hope to be able to find the rest of the flowers tomorrow and the noodle. That's the only thing that I'm hoping I can get the orange noodle again. They're awfully hard to find. Everybody's turning this for Halloween. So thank you so much, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy this video. It's just a little bit of DIY that I wanted to show you today. Will be completed in the next video. Thank you so much. Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye now.